Ja, welkom terug.
Stian Coetzee, number 1. Look out for that talisman. Coach obviously by the dangerous Stuan Franken. Just waiting for the Bishops lineup. There we go. There it is. Look out for number 7, number 8. Ethan Benton, James Benton. They're very, very dangerous. Coach obviously by the very notorious.
Doen basiese beginsels. Maak seker jy kom weg uit jou kwartgebied uit.
Yeah, excellent clearance there and well spotted. This game refereed by our match officials. I believe it is Francois P.
Probleme ondervind op die verdediging.
Yeah, it's a battering ram at the moment from this Bishop's outfit. It's a couple of phases that they've done so well to string together, and that's what happens. That's pressure. Excellent stuff from this result from the Bishop's boys.
Ja, het gelyk so skoenig. Die linkervleuel wat oorduik, maar het wys vir jou.
Short ball, it's good rugby. Can he make it all the way to the line? It's an excellent little defensive set there from the fly-off. It's Cox again. He's putting the strings on attack. He's doing very well defensively as we see Bishops half a meter out now. The ball come out. They'll let their forwards do the donkey work, and once again they've crashed over.
Yeah, the ref has awarded the try. Let the big forwards do the hard work. They're straight hard runners, and on this occasion they were not going to be stopped. Quickly. Now the scrum under pressure. Bellville High School, and they're being penalized. Attacking opportunity for Bishops.
Yeah, referee Francois Philander not happy with the Bellville scrum at the moment, but Bishops, can they get the ball through the hands? It's an excellent inside pass, and the cap found all too easily.
Passing was just too much, and the damage has been done by that inside pass. And another try for Bellville. Net te veel gedomineer op alle facette. Paar gedagtes van jou Lonrabo rondom hierdie eerste helfte.
Ja, it's been all.
Ja, Cox wat sake onderweg kry in die tweede helfte. Hy gaan hoog. Bishops goed gedoen van die afskop af, maar hulle kom verby 2 man. En daar sterk gehardloop aan die diskant. Day Koenig, bal in 2 hande, gemaklik laat hulle die bal die werk doen. Dis Bishops. Das en dan die Swane duik slag oor. Bishops slaan terug met nog 'n 3 in die openingsminuut van hierdie tweede helfte.
Magic, I believe that was. Geduld with the finish. Ball through the hands. Ran out of space, you might have thought, finds his man on the inside. A little juggle, does it twice, and says, thank you, I'll take that. Excellent shot for Bishops to get the second half underway.
Begin. Selle hoekie, selle probleem. Selle antwoord, net te veel ruimte, net te veel spasie.
Visagie, we've spoken about Visagie. Is it Visagie's moment? Of course it's Visagie's gun. He's under the balls. And it's back-to-back statements from this Bishop side. A couple already, 3 with a little goose step. Has a little scan around the field to look for help from his mates. None of his mates are around. He says, stop it, I'll do it myself.
Dis goud werd, dis spasie. En hierdie keer is dit Koenig. Die linkervleuel wat afrond vir Bishops. Net te goed vir Bellville.
Right, it was Koenig, the number 11. Excellent step in. Had a defender to beat. Finds his mate on the offload. And Wes Chetty, head coach of this Bishop side, can do absolutely nothing.
En die besit wat hulle hou is goud werd. Kom hier ondersteuning by en ons weet dit is gevaarlik. Is gevaarlik. Sy deur die verdediging. En Bishops, het lyk na die plaasvervanger skripskakel.
Virgil, let's have a look at the replay. Paul is turned around, Cap spotted, beats his inside man. Lil fend to send him on his way as he cruises over the try line.
En daar vind hulle die spasie aan die oorkant. Een om te klop. Die opsie, die binne, die buite, die voetwerk net te goed. Rond die half daar aan die regterkant se hoekie. En Bishop slaan terug met nog 'n 3.
Yeah, that's excellent composure from the youngster. Excellent little bit of footwork in this clash in Stellenbosch.
Ja, dis waar ons gepraat het. Jy kan nie die aanvalswapen van Bishop tyd gee nie. Die boksspring, die swing, binne, buite. En dan net verdediging is dan flardes ruk. Bishops maak net wat hulle wil.
Yeah, time up on the clock, but Bishop's not finished yet. 2 meters out, almost an excellent shot to end the game, and there we see it. Bishops taking their final tally to 45.